Daddy.
Hey, honey.
You got 2 new packages.
Okay, let me see. Thank you, Lily. Let's open them. I'm gonna take this. Oh, this from BenQ. Let's open one box at a time. Take a look at this one.
Can I have the knife?
Yeah, here you go.
Thank you.
Okay. Take that. And let's take a look at this box. Okay. This one is Screen Bar e-reading lamp. This is the Screen Bar e-reading lamp. It has the interesting diagram, very clear. It's showing you the step 1, and step 2, and step 3, how to install the light. At the gap over here, actually for you to connect the USB cable into the lamp. On the other end, you can connect to the computer monitor or directly connect to your computer. Any of the USB 2 or 3, virtually for any computer setup.
What's the difference?
Well, the difference is E is pressed and this one is not pressed. Let's take a look at what it looked like inside. Okay, let's take a look.
I can open this by hand.
Now you need to take this off first.
Okay.
Slowly. Good. Looks so clean.
Yeah. So new.
Ooh, look at that. Extra protection.
Cool.
Whoa. Very nice. This is product certification. Okay. Now,
What's a certification?
that means this product has been quality assurance. That means the product is good. Good quality.
Okay.
It's already meet the standard. Okay, it has auto dimmer.
Cool.
Ooh, automatically dim, and has a light sensor,
Wow.
auto dimmer, brightness adjustment indicator, and we're gonna play with that. That is this thing.
I think I said to take this out.
Should I?
It says remove before use.
Okay, let's move it.
It says
Oh,
right
here
here.
you go.
Remove before use.
Okay, just remove it and put this over here. Belong together. We're gonna learn how to put it together. Let's take a look at this product. That's my turn, honey. Okay, here you go. Oh. Okay. This is connect with this one on the top.
What?
Like this. And take a look. The cable connect that to here. You see that? That little, yeah, now connected. Plug in the USB to the monitor. Looks pretty good. Wow.
Why is there a tape there?
Because protected right now.
Protect from what?
From scratching. You can take it out.
Today we are learning about colors.
Now, okay. Now this one is put it right here. Open it like this. It's right on the top.
Yep.
Right?
Yep.
Okay. Now give the cable to me.
Here you go.
It's supposed to be put it right. Now plug it in, the power over here. And I open this up a little bit. Now put it on the back over here and connect to the monitor. On the top over here, this is the temperature. Change the light temperature. And this is change the brightness. Screen Bar Plus e-reading lamp. The difference between these two is this control. The way you control it is on your desk device. The connection is still the same. The connector over here holding the bar is still the same. You don't have to tap on the top to control the lamp.
Can I change color?
Yeah, I'm sure. First, this is actually control the brightness.
You can?
Yeah, and the dial, the power and dial. Yeah, press it down and turn off. And press it down again, it actually turn on. And I want to rotate it, it's brighter and less bright, so I can see my keyboard and see the things on my table.
Does it change color though?
Yeah, I change color on this side. Don't have to go up to the top to control. If you have a computer, have a big monitor, and if you want more comfortable reading, also save your table space. I just had the first-hand experience. For more information, I have the link to the Amazon product pages. Please take a look at them. Thank you very much to BenQ. It helped me to improve my working stations. Thank you.
Bye.
If you enjoyed these lessons, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. If this is your first time here, please subscribe and turn on notification. I will see you in my next lesson.